guys, it's Joseph Afridi from gamelogics, and this is part 12 of how to make a Ludo game in Unity. Okay, so in the previous tutorial, I've completed our data members of our game manager class, and now what we need to assign their proper game objects to those data members. Okay, so now let's click on the game manager game object. Okay, this is basically an empty game object with which we have attached our game manager script. So now let's assign the proper game objects, the proper game objects to where they belong. Okay, so first of all, the screens. Yeah, red frame, green frame, the yellow one, and the blue. Okay, and now the borders for our red player. Player 2, red player 3, and red player 4. Yep, and the green one. Green one. Oh, green player 1 and green player 2, green player 3, 4, and blue one. Blue 1, blue 2, 3, blue 4. And for the yellow player, 1, 2, wow, and 3, and 4. Okay, and dice roll. So dice roll button, it will hold the position of our dice roll button. Basically it's a transform. Yeah, you can see here it's a transform. Yeah, okay, so it's a transform. And then a red dice roll. These are the red dice position, and it's for the blue one. Let me show you. Yeah, this thing. Okay, so yeah, where we were. Yeah, red dice position goes here. It's basically a transform. Blue nice position, yellow goes here, and the green one goes right here. Okay, so these are basically this. Yeah, so what it will do, it will simply change the positions of our dice roll button. Sometimes it will appear on the blue corner, sometimes on the red. When the player turns changes, the position of our dice roll button will change along with that. Okay, sometimes blue corner, green, yellow, and red. Got the idea? Yeah, you got the idea. Okay, so let's again make them transparent. And yeah, let's save our process and proceed with the rest of the process. Yeah, dice roll button, the same thing. Now it's basically a button. When can we click the button and when can we not? Okay, so I think that I have already explained all these things when I was coding them. Okay, when I was writing the remembers for those things. Yeah, so I don't need to explain them. I play one. Why? Is it not a button or what? Oh, what the hell? What the hell? The hell have I done? It's simply an image or what? Oh my goodness. What the hell have I done? Oh, so it's an image. What the hell? I've made a huge mistake. Yeah, a huge one. I have made them images. Yeah. So. It's bad. Very bad. Let's see if it works. I will attach a button. Mm, I think I've fixed it. Okay. So it worked. Yeah, it worked. Now it has become a button. So let's do that for all of them. Okay, let's do that for all of them. These are simply images. I don't know how I forgot this. We need them to be buttons. Okay. Yeah, I think I've created an empty game object and then I think so. So now I need to fix this. Okay. So yeah, let's make them buttons. All of them. So let's add button component and we are good to go. Yeah. Simple as that. Okay. So it was a big mistake and fixed quickly. Yeah. Thank God. Fixed quickly. Where we were. Where we were. Yeah. Now it will work. Okay. So before there were images, so we can't assign an image to a button. Now we have made them buttons. Now we can actually assign them to their corresponding game objects or their buttons. Okay. Now, so as you saw, it works now. Okay. Yep. It works. Four, green one. One, two, three, and four. The blue one. Blue. And the last yellow one. Yellow buttons. Okay. Now screens. Hmm. Screens. blue one, and the green one, yellow, and lost red. Yeah, again, the remembers for movement of our players. Okay, there one, two, three, and four. Blue one, two, three, and four. Uh, Yellow one, two, three, and four. Yeah, and the green one, green player. One, two, three, and four. Now the animations. Yeah, we know the animations. So let's hmm, animations, animations, and animations. Hmm. And confirm screen and game completed screen. And we will deal with them in the next tutorial, and I will let you know what these list game objects are for. Okay, what are these for and why we need them? So you will need to know in the next tutorial. And thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have any confusions, okay, any problems, so let me know in the comments. And again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next tutorial.